The Agents.md file lives at the root of your repository. Not in .github, not in a subfolder, the root. It was released by OpenAI in August 2025 and handed to the Linux Foundation's Agentic AI Foundation shortly after, the same body that now stewards the Agents.md file standard. By mid-2026, over 60,000 open-source repositories use it, and more than 30 AI coding tools read it natively. Codex CLI, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Devin, Aider, Warp, Windsurf, AMP, OpenCode, KiloCode, and more. Copilot reads it too, directly, no setup. Claude Code reads it through one small extra step, which I'm covering properly in Part 2b, since it deserves more than a rushed mention here.